Bright and early start to the morning. We're gonna go get some beer. It's 9 a.m. and we're matching with my ate. Woo! Guys, I forgot to mention, we got picked up by my kuya and ate. And now my other ate is here as well too. We're on the way to the mountain.
Welcome to the vlog.
Vlog. We'll see you guys at the mountain. We're somewhere on the mountains right now. We're gonna do that mountain roller coaster over there. We're here. We just got to our next stop. Coming into a restaurant here. It's a nice little restaurant. Reminds me of a little bungalow in the Philippines. The restaurant has a nice vibe to it.
Where?
It's not bad. It's time to eat. Nah, guys, this place is absolutely gorgeous. Yo, I'm gonna walk down this little, I don't know what this would be called. I was gonna say pier, but I don't think this is not a pier. But there's a bungalow at the end of it. There's bare jet skis going right now. I would jet ski here, but I'm gonna save it for a different location. Rip it! It's gorgeous out here though. I fell asleep on the way home. We were at the liquor store. We got some alcohol. And now my kuya made it here. He's cooking steak. We're gonna eat.
Cheers! Thank you po sa adoption. Okay. Just gonna walk.
Sa pamilya, pantay-pantay.
Ay, hindi ako family.
Ay, talaga. Uwi ka na.
Bye-bye.
Ang benefits yun, Sai, bakit ka, ano?
Para lang po sa vibes.
Vibes.
Oops.
Maganda doon, alas 3 andun ka na para si Hamdan yung
Oo, in person.
yung prince.